Hi, welcome to Excel. Today we'll see how to work with Sumif function with examples. Here we have a data set here with column name salesperson, city, product category, and sales amount. And if we want to summarize the data, the sales amount based on the city or based on the salesperson, and when there are two criteria like this, Sumifs formula will be very useful in aggregating the sales amount. So the formula for Sumifs is equal to Sumifs. First we'll calculate we have to give the sum range, which is the sales amount here. This is the sum range. Okay. And then you have to give the criteria range one. So our first criteria here is the salesperson who is Arjun. So for this, we will select Arjun, this criteria, uh, which is in the A6 to A27. So, and Arjun will be taken as our criteria one. So similarly, the criteria two is Delhi, the city. So we want the sales done by Arjun in the city of. See how this SumIfs works. Okay, so first we'll take the sum range is equal to SumIfs. Let's type SumIfs and then give the first argument sum range, select the sales amount, and then the criteria range one, salesperson. And for that, you have to select the criteria range one, salesperson column, and then comma and give the reference cell for Arjun. And then the criteria range two is city. So city city column is selected here for the criteria range two. And the criteria for this city is selected. And then we'll close the parenthesis and enter. So we have entered the same formula here and we have got the result as 5,670. This is the sales done by Arjun in Delhi. So if we want to know the sales of any other person like Meera, and we want to know the sales done by her in Mumbai. So it's the sum of is dynamically working here because we have done data validation in these two columns by entering the list of these people, the salesperson people, and entering the list of the cities. So whenever we change the data here, so the SumIf function will automatically, because it is taking the reference cell here for the criteria, that is hit 6 and hit 7 as criteria 1 and criteria 2. So it will automatically calculate uh, the sales of the individual according to the city. So similar way, if we want the sales category for Hyderabad and for the product sales in the city of Hyderabad and product category for electronics. So we have to use the same SumIfs formula as SumIfs. So let's type SumIfs and then select the sum range again. Okay, now give the criteria for city. So the city's criteria range is, that is a criteria range one. And then give the criteria that we want Hyderabad as a criteria one. And we want to sum according to the electronics product category. So product category range is first selected. And then the criteria is given. And the reference cell is H13. And then enter. So this is the formula that we have entered here and we have arrived at this. So if we want to change the city of Bangalore and what is the electronics, the sales in Bangalore, you can know that it is 2,570. If we want to change it to Mumbai, so again, see the Summers formula is working for different cities. And if you want to change it to for furniture, and again, you can get the sales for Mumbai city and the furniture product category. So this is a very useful function, SumIfs function. And I hope I have cleared all the doubts. If at all you have any other clarifications you need, please put it in the comment section. Thank you for watching.